it is instantly cooling. It feels so refreshing. It's absolutely amazing. Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this 4-in-1 portable AC unit. So if you are someone that's looking for a way to quickly cool off your space, maybe even give it some heat or dehumidify, this could be the perfect product for you. So to get started, I want to run you through the installation process. It was super simple, so here's a quick look at that. Everything arrived neatly packaged and well cared for. The box was not damaged or broken, and inside everything was contained really well. This does come with everything you need for installation, consisting of an exhaust hose, drain hose, a remote control with included batteries, hardware, a connector and an adapter, and then of course the AC unit itself, and lastly the window kit. It comes with plenty of cord, so it's going to be easy to reach an outlet, and the user guide and installation instructions were thorough and easy to follow. Once everything was unpacked and ready for installation, we got started by attaching the connector to one end of the expandable exhaust hose, and then attached the adapter to the opposite side. From there, we got it attached to the back of the AC unit. Then we were ready to figure out the window kit. We needed both pieces to fit our window, so we utilized the wing nut to hold them together. We placed it and made sure that the fit was nice and snug, and then we tightened the wing nut so it would stay in place. We then attached the connector and exhaust hose to the window kit and used the included screws to secure that in place. And in just a matter of minutes, the installation was complete and it was an absolute breeze. Now this particular unit is the 10,000 BTU option, so it is made for spaces 450 square foot or smaller, and it is portable, so you can easily move this from room to room. It does have a handle here on the back, and then you could easily slip your fingers up here on the front, so you can pick this up. It weighs about 43 pounds, so it's not overly heavy, but it does also sit on 4 rolling casters, so you can easily push this around. Even if it's just in a simple space, you can angle it towards you or away from you, and so on. As I mentioned before, this is a 4-in-1, so there are multiple different ways that you can utilize this. There's your standard cooling feature, but this does range in temperature from 62 degrees up to 86. So if you live somewhere that gets a little bit colder, this could be a great option for those seasons as well. Then you just have the fan function. It's going to act like a regular fan. When it comes to the cooling mode and the fan mode, you do have the option to control the airspeed between low and high, so you can always base that on your needs and how much you're wanting the air to circulate. And then you have your dehumidifier function. So that will help pull the moisture from the air if you're somewhere that's quite humid. This can pull up to 53 pints of water out of the air per day. So it's definitely going to help make your room less sticky and more comfortable. There is an indicator light up here on the top to let you know when the water tank is full. You can simply drain that as needed, or they do provide you some tubing if you want to run this for continuous drainage. You would need to have this near a bathroom or be able to run it outdoors somehow. And last but not least, it does have a sleep mode. So it's naturally going to adjust the temperature through the night, making sure that you stay nice and comfortable, not overly cold, not too hot. To activate the sleep mode option, you do have to press the timer and down arrow button at the same time. Then it will add in sleep mode on top of your cooling settings. All of those settings are controllable up here on the top panel, or by the handy little remote. So everything you can do up here, you can easily do by the remote as well. Plus, you can set a timer, and this timer can be either how long you want the unit to run, or it can be how long you want the unit to wait before it turns on. So if the unit is off and you press the timer button, it's going to tell that device to turn on in that amount of time, and you can set it between 1 hour and 24 hours. Or if the unit is already on, then the timer feature will tell it when to turn off. Then when it comes to the noise level, this thing is pretty quiet. It's less than 60 decibels, so it shouldn't disturb you much. It's a nice, comfortable volume. I'll let you guys have a listen. So here's how it sounds on the cooling mode. So you can hear a little bit of the motor and then of course the airflow, and it is instantly cooling. It feels so refreshing. It's absolutely amazing. And then here's a listen at the dehumidifier mode. So it takes down the airflow a little bit, and you still have about the same amount of motor noise. And then over here on the side, there is a simple filter. You can slide that out, give it a good rinse, and pop it back in, and it's good to go. My family absolutely loves this unit. It certainly makes a difference in a space, and it does so very quickly and quietly. So if that's something you guys were looking for, I think this is a really wonderful product. It is very simple to use and understand, and it was very simple to get installed. So this is a product that we absolutely love, and I think you would as well. If you were looking for one, I would definitely give this a try.